Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your Xumo remote. Now if your remote actually has this gear cog button, then what you do is you press and hold the plus and left directional button on your remote until the LED light, okay, at the top of the remote actually turns green. And then what you do is you press 9, and then 8, and then 1 on your remote. And you wait for the LED at the top of the remote to actually flash red to basically indicate that your remote has been reset. And if your remote does not have this gear cog button, then what you do is you press and hold this 3 dots button and the left directional button on your remote for 5 seconds together, okay? And then the same thing will happen. Okay, the remote will turn green and then it will flash red to indicate that your remote has reset. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.